Carcinoma of the prostate. It is the most common malignant tumor of the man over the age of the 65 years. It originates in the peripheral zone of the prostate, so prostatectomy done for the BPH, in which the transitional central zones are removed, provides no protection for subsequent carcinoma of the prostate because it originates in the peripheral zone of the prostate. Here it is shown that the central zone and the transitional zones are removed in the transurethral section of the prostate for BPH, but carcinoma arises in this peripheral zone. So, if the part of the prostate is removed for the BPH, even then carcinoma of the prostate can occur. Risk factors include age. It increases with the age. It's common in the blacks, and high fat intake increases the risk, and positive family history also increases the risk fourfolds for the development of the carcinoma of the prostate. Now we will discuss the spread. Most of the prostate carcinoma are adenocarcinoma, and it spread by the local spread, hematogenous through the venous plexus, and lymphatic spread. In local spread, the carcinoma of the prostate extends upward, involves the seminal vesicle, neck of the bladder, and trigone, and the bladder trigone. An extension may invade one or both ureteric opening. Here is the internal urethral opening, and here are the ureteric orifice. Here are the two ureteric orifices. When it locally spreads upward, it not only obstruct the internal urethral sphincter, also can obstruct the ureteric orifices, and cause hydroureter or hydronephrosis. Because of their obstruction, the urinary retention occurs and hydroureter or hydronephrosis occurs, and if both ureters are involved, then anuria can develop. Rectum can be stenosed due to the spread of the tumor infiltration around it, but direct involvement of the rectum is rare because of the presence of the fascia of the Denon biliaris. It protects the spread of the prostatic carcinoma to the rectum. Hematogenous spread prostate cancer most commonly metastasizes to the lower spine, or it is also called the bone loving tumor. It spreads mainly to the lower lumbar vertebra and pelvic bones. Proximal femur head, ribs, sternum, and the skull can also be involved, and it also involves the lung and the liver. Lymphatic spread, obturator nodes, internal iliac, parasacral nodes, and external iliac nodes can be involved along the vas deferens.